I'm Matt Perry, Chief Operating Officer for the AA Real Estate Group. We are real estate investors who buy property in Massachusetts and New Hampshire. We work with real estate agents just like yourself to help provide options to clients who may need the convenience for an as-is offer with a flexible closing date. Maybe the homes are in need of renovation. Maybe it's been sitting on the market for months, or maybe your client expresses the need to sell their house in as little as 10 days. In each one of those cases, your client may ask what a real estate investor would pay for their house in its as-is shape. So they need to get it sold fast and move on. We empower agents with no obligation as-is offers so that they can provide their clients with all of the options and help them weigh the pros and cons in an effort to deliver the highest possible service possible. We know that some in the real estate, especially real estate investors, give the industry a bad rep. And we want to assure you that we are transparent and we will always respect the relationship that you have with your seller. And there's never any pressure to accept any offer that we would potentially present. We understand that our services aren't the best fit for the majority of the clients that you work with. If their house is in great shape and they absolutely have the time, they should go ahead and list it on the market. But real estate is not a one-size-fits-all type of industry, and we can provide options to those who may have a tough time selling, such as fire-damaged homes, or homes that are in foreclosure or simply distressed. We seek to build relationships so that we together can sell even the unsellable home and provide clients on both sides with the opportunities and with choices. So let's talk. Let's see how we can work together and ultimately help your business grow.